Hi, good afternoon.
Okay, sir.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, sir.
All well, all good?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Divijay, a short brief about you.
Sir, I'm Digvijay Singh. I have secured the All India Rank 2 in the ALET examination, which is the All India Law Entrance Test, which is conducted by National Law University, Delhi. And so I've completed my class 12th from Bhavan Vidyalaya, Chandigarh, and I was a humanities student, and I took legal studies as my main subject.
Alright, great. So, All India Rank 2, ALET. Was it really what you were expecting?
So, sir, it's always a dream for a CLAT aspirant or an ALET aspirant to get a single digit rank.
Right.
And so I, with the help of the moment I gave my ALET examination, so there's a score calculator given by the Career Launcher. So, I got to know my score, and I told all my family and my parents that, I've done it and I've got a good score. I might get in the top 5, but I didn't know that I get second rank.
Alright.
Yes.
So, must have been a wonderful feeling, huh?
Yes, sir, absolutely.
Okay, great. So, Divijay, any specific reasons of taking up law as a career?
So, I feel that law as a subject is present in every walk of life. And, so the fact that I can bring a fellow citizen to justice through the means of law, that really motivates me. And and after that I met a lot of people related to this career, and I met my seniors in school. So then I realized that law is the career for me.
Wonderful. That's too good, Divijay. Okay, so fine. In your journey, when you thought of doing law, CLAT, ALET, how did CL come into the picture?
So my seniors in school, they always spoke good about Career Launcher. The content, the teachers, the faculty, and the atmosphere in Career Launcher is so competitive that it really pulled me towards CL.
Great. Alright. So, what have your seniors told, your alumni of school told about Career Launcher? How far has it been true for you? See, this, your association with Career Launcher Chandigarh, how do you think has been fruitful in your selection process?
So, sir, as you know, I've been preparing my preparation from class 11th itself. And as I graduated from class 10th, I took admission in Career Launcher. So, sir, I always took advice from my seniors, and they all said that, the faculty is so experienced here, and they've been, teaching this field for so long that they know what kind of subjects are, going to come for the examination, and how the overall examination is going to be conducted. So I, when I joined CL, in the first few classes I got to know that, this is the place for me, and I can really succeed if I, pay attention in class, and I, if I take the teacher's correct advice, and I've always felt that the teachers have been very supportive.
Correct.
The content, especially the online content, is so accurate that it really helped me, while giving the actual ALET examination.
Okay, that's right. So, okay. Coming to the faculty you're talking, any specific incident you remember, any specific faculty you would like to remember or something?
So, sir, our legal faculty, Upma ma'am, she was really helpful.
Okay.
Not just with the subject, but my overall development. She really helped me. She was very approachable. I used to call her, and she used to take my doubts whenever I wanted to.
Wonderful.
And even Karan sir, our general knowledge teacher, his content was at par with the questions that came in the actual examination. So that really helped me.
That's good. So, okay, Divijay, any specific, any specific tips or techniques, or you would like to give to your juniors who are targeting CLAT, ALET this year and coming years?
Yes, so sir, the first step to crack ALET, or for that matter CLAT, is to tell yourself that you can do it. Everything under the sun is achievable if you work hard and if you're sincere. So secondly, strategy is very important, especially for A-Let.
Alright.
So you have 90 minutes for 150 questions. So you have 36 seconds to attempt one question. So what I did was I lowered my attempt and I made sure that the questions that I did were absolutely correct. And so that was really helpful. And so second part is that maths. So it's very important. So students, they usually think that let's not do it because it's only 10 marks and let's not attempt it, we'll save time. So that's wrong. Maths is very important for A-Let and it was actually a trump card for me in the examination.
Wow. So that's very good, Digvijay. So Digvijay, your journey with Career Launcher, you said you started in +1. So were these 2 years more than sufficient, or these 2 years is actually the time required to prepare?
So I feel when I took the 2-year program for CL or CL, so it was really helpful because from the starting you know what to prepare for, and so I feel that 2 years is required. It is actually very important to get into that mindset that you have to prepare for the next 2 years, and so it does give you an edge over the others.
Okay, great. So your trust in Career Launcher, by joining Career Launcher for 2 years as an exclusive, for preparing for this CLAT and ALET. So do you feel it was sufficient enough for you for these 2 years?
Yes, sir. It was. The content was more than enough, and even now I haven't completed the content because it is so vast and it is so comprehensive that it helps you inculcating that that intention of clearing the ALET examination flying colors.
Great.
Yes.
Great. Wonderful. Okay. Wish you all the very best, Digvijay, for your future,
Thank
and
you so much,
I
sir.
hope in next few days you will be starting up your curriculum at NLU Delhi.
Yes, sir.
So wish you all the very best for your future life.
Thank you, sir.
All the very best. Take care.